everyone, and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle. Today we are doing a full body tone workout.
Yes, we are. Get ready and work out with us.
So we're gonna get started with inchworms and shoulder taps. So put your feet hip width distance apart, and you're gonna bend down and inchworm your way out to a plank, and then do an arm tap, and then inchworm your way back up. Okay, so we'll do 2 sets of that. So let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternating shoulder taps, and then roll right back up. Okay, keep going. Try not to swing your hips as much, so it's a core workout as well. Engage that core in the plank. For a bonus, you can do a little glute squeeze at the top. Let's add that in. And squeeze. 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 Almost there, guys. Let's do 2 more. Tap, tap.
Wow, you're feeling your arms.
1 more. Stay down for this, guys. So we're gonna do an active recovery. Put your forearms down and into a plank. So put your feet, engage those toes. Keep your core tight. Breathe in and breathe out. Good job. Keep going, a little bit more. One more breath. In and out. Okay, knees down. Good job on that first set. If you want to do a little stretch, a little doggy stretch here, you can. You deserve it. We'll give you 5 seconds to get up on the top of your mat and do the other set. So let's go. We got it. 1 more set, guys. I know you got it in you. You feel that? It's working. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have to go a little slower, that's okay. Just keep going. Squeeze! Doing good, guys. Halfway there. Almost there. Keep going. Two more. You got it. 1 more. You did it. Yes.
We are doing the fire hydrant. We want our hands planted like so, belly buttons in, and we're gonna extend our leg like this, and we're gonna do 25 on each side. Let's get into it.
If you don't have a resistance band, it's okay. You can do these without, but this gives you an added bonus.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, let's go with the right leg. 1, 2, 10. 20.
Almost there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, our next move, we're gonna extend our legs like so, and you wanna put your hand on the band so it doesn't roll up. And we're gonna do 25 on this leg, extend our leg up so we can just target this butt area and also our thighs and leg. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are we tapping our toe in the ground or are we just hovering?
You can hover or you can tap.
Okay.
10. 20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Right.
So let's switch to the right leg.
Fix the stand a bit.
And then you also want to hold the band so it doesn't roll up.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Twenty, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're gonna do our second set. 5 hydrants, same thing. We'll start with the left leg and go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna start with the right leg now. Twenty, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that last one was a killer.
All right, so we're gonna do our butt exercise, extend. Ooh, hold on to that wristband. 25.
Ooh. And keep going.
10. 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next leg. All right. So you're gonna hold it, and let's do the right. 20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was great. We felt it.
We did it.
We did. All right.
Moving on.
Moving on. All right, we're gonna start our ab exercise. We're gonna do the crisscross. You wanna put your hands side to side, lay down, belly's in, and what we're gonna do is extend our legs like this, and we're gonna crisscross. We're doing this 10 times, so let's start. Five. 1 more. Okay, that is 10. We are going to do the reverse crunch. We want to extend our legs up, and then we're just going to put our butt in the air like so. Belly's in. So that was 1. We're going to do again. 2, 3, 4.
What do you really feel it?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was great because you feel it in your lower back as well.
All right, so let's do another set. Reverse, actually crisscross.
Yeah.
Ready? Five, 8, 9, 10. Whew.
Oh, oopsies.
That's okay. Woo! You really feel it. Oh my gosh. Reverse crunch and go. Five, 10. All right. Woo. High five. Let's go to the next move. All right, we're gonna start with lunges. 25. You can use weights or no weights.
I'll be doing a modification with no weights.
All right, let's go.
So put your feet hip width distance apart. Yes. And we're gonna sit back like we're sitting in a seat.
Right. And we're gonna go slow, okay? Ready?
Yes.
And go.
You can squeeze at the top for an extra glute workout. Try to keep your chest as straight as possible to really sit deep. We're really isolating those muscles by going slow.
Are we up to 10?
That's 10. This is 11 now. Halfway there. This is 15. Don't forget to squeeze at the top. Five more. Last one.
Alright.
Good job, guys.
Good job. That was a great workout.
Yes!
Yes. Catch us next week with a new one.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.